eat all my cheeses. Like, there's, like, none left.
R3 Polynomials. So we'll get a review of the rules of exponents. For all positive integers, m and n, and all real numbers, a and b. We have a product rule, which says that a to the m times a to the n is equal to a to the m plus n. And some of these rules are over there on the green poster on the wall. Then we have the power rule, and we have a few different versions of this. But if we had, in parentheses, a to the m all raised to the n, that's equal to a to the m times n. If we had ab in parentheses raised to the m, that's equal to a to the m b to the m. And then if we had a over b all raised to the m, that's equal to a to the m over b to the m, assuming b is not equal to 0. And then the 0 exponent, not so much a rule, but just a review of exponents. A to the 0 is equal to 1. So anything raised to the 0 equals 1. All right, and then just a couple of other little reminders here. The degree of a polynomial is the greatest degree, or I guess I should say the greatest number exponent of any term
Is there actually a class where you just...
in the polynomial. I don't know. Make my rounds later and see.
Yeah, I know.
It's not like awkward. Usually when I go in there, they're like, "Oh, she's mad." Just like, no, you're loud. 2 years ago. It's 2 years ago. I don't know. 2 or 3 years ago, there was one class that was extremely loud, and they were in the class that I had to keep my door open. And it was, oh my goodness. I was like, y'all need to shush. I was like, I can't. All right.
There's just people that I
Always
think it's a class.
I just felt like
Right.
PTSD.
terms in descending order. I have lunch duty today.
That
Ew.
sucks for you. Yesterday was, or Tuesday was Marshall was like screaming at the 6th graders. They were so bad.
Gosh.
They were so bad.
I literally could not. If Miss Marshall like literally like yelled at like just like looked at me and like talked at me,
I dropped dead.
I would drop dead.
All right. FOIL. Okay, just don't forget how to multiply polynomials.
My mom would beat me. If she found out that I was acting a fool in the lunchroom, P-Dog would come down there in front of everybody.
How were the little 3-year-olds today?
4-year-olds.
Oh, right. I just keep forgetting because you always had Ms. Ray. But...
I love Miss Wright.
All right, special products.
Me and Miss Freeman were on it today.
Difference of squares.
We cut them on. We did the letter I. There was one kid who didn't want to write his letter I's, and I said, no, you have to.
X squared minus y squared equals x plus y times x minus y.
I'm not in your face. Like, I can get in your face.
And then perfect square trinomial.
I mean, I didn't, and I wouldn't, but there's a difference. I am not in your face right now.
X squared plus or minus. Okay, I'm doing them in this order because I'm going to just write it as one instead of two separate things. 2xy plus y squared equals x plus or minus y squared. So if it was a plus in front of the 2xy, it would be a plus over here. If it's a minus, it would be a minus over here.